What if one simple change to your morning could supercharge your energy, sharpen your focus, and unlock your greatest potential? Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. The secret lies in a powerful morning routine that primes your mind and body for success. In the next few minutes, I'll share the exact morning routine top achievers use to dominate their day, so you can too. From the moment you open your eyes, every action you take can set the stage for a productive and fulfilling day. Whether it's journaling your thoughts, engaging in a quick workout, or finding a moment of peace through meditation, these practices can transform your mornings. But first, check the link in the description for our hand-picked collection of the most powerful motivational books ever written. These books are filled with wisdom and strategies from the world's most successful individuals, offering insights that can inspire and guide you on your journey. They'll take your transformation even further. A good morning routine can set a positive tone for the entire day, boosting productivity, enhancing mental clarity, and fostering a sense of accomplishment. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll find yourself more focused, energized, and ready to tackle your goals. Now, let's get started. Good mornings aren't accidental, they're designed. From hydration to mindset resets, meditation to journaling, every ritual you choose sets the tone for success. Today, you'll learn 7 science-backed morning habits that will fill you with clarity, passion, and unstoppable momentum. Step 1. Rise with purpose. No more snooze button sabotage. Place your alarm across the room, force yourself up, and immediately let natural light flood in. Studies show morning light resets your circadian rhythm, boosting mood and focus all day. Stretch your body to get the blood flowing and drink a glass of water to rehydrate. These actions signal your brain that it's time to wake up, enhancing alertness and energy. Step 2. Hydrate and fuel. Before coffee, drink a large glass of water with a squeeze of lemon. This jumpstarts your metabolism, flushes toxins, and wakes up your digestive system. For breakfast, consider a nutrient-packed smoothie with spinach, berries, and a scoop of protein powder. Alternatively, a protein-rich meal like eggs with avocado and whole-grain toast will keep your energy steady throughout the morning. Hydration and nutrition are key to maintaining high energy levels and overall well-being. Another great option is preparing overnight oats with chia seeds, nuts, and fresh fruits. This not only provides a balanced meal, but also saves you time in the morning. Don't forget to hydrate throughout the day. Drinking herbal teas can be a soothing way to increase your fluid intake. Remember, staying hydrated and eating nutrient-dense foods are essential habits for a healthy lifestyle. They help you stay focused, energized, and ready to tackle the day ahead. Step 3. Activate your body. A 10 to 15-minute stretch or light workout floods your brain with endorphins, clears mental fog, and prepares you for creative thinking. You don't need a gym, just your body and a little space. Try dynamic stretches like leg swings or arm circles to get your blood flowing. Incorporate yoga poses such as sun salutations to enhance flexibility. Bodyweight exercises like squats or push-ups can also be effective. Start with a gentle warm-up to gradually increase your heart rate. This could be a brisk walk or jogging in place. Follow it up with some jumping jacks or lunges to further engage your muscles. Remember, consistency is key. Making this a daily habit can significantly improve your physical and mental well-being. Not only does it boost your mood, but it also enhances your focus and productivity throughout the day. So, take a few minutes each morning to move and stretch. Your body and mind will thank you. Step 4. Center your mind. Spend 5 minutes in silent meditation. Focus on your breath or a single empowering word. Meditation reduces stress, enhances self-awareness, and promotes emotional health. Follow with 3 to 5 positive affirmations. I am focused. I am capable. I create my reality. Other examples include, I am strong. I am grateful. I attract positivity. This simple practice builds unshakable confidence and sets a positive tone for your day. Step 5. Write it down. Journal your top 3 goals for the day. Be specific and detailed. Visualize achieving them. See the details, feel the emotion, and watch your brain prime itself for success. Imagine the steps you'll take and the obstacles you'll overcome. This clarity turns dreams into action. Step 6. Prioritize like a pro. Identify your MITs, your most important tasks, and block time on your calendar. When you tackle them first, everything else flows easier, and you build momentum that carries you through meetings, emails, and obstacles. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Break larger projects into smaller, manageable steps. And don't forget to review and adjust your plan as needed throughout the day. Step 7. Feed your mind. Spend at least 10 minutes reading a motivational or personal growth book. The right words every morning shape your mindset for the entire day. Consider adding biographies, business books, and even fiction to your reading list. Reading in the morning boosts focus, reduces stress, and enhances creativity. Ready for recommendations? Click the link in the description now for our exclusive list of life-changing books, handpicked to fuel your success. If you're excited to redesign your mornings, hit subscribe for more daily inspiration. Smash that like if you're ready to conquer your day, and let me know in the comments which morning ritual you'll start tomorrow. Implement these steps and share your experiences with us. Your journey can inspire others. Together, we can create a community of unstoppable energy and positivity.